The BMW G310GS has arrived, and I don't know if you guys have read online reviews yet, but it is a bit tall. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I try to get on here. I need a step stool, but I guess I'll throw my leg over. And there we have it. I'm swimming on both sides. So unfortunately, if you're little like I am, this is not the bike for me. I'm scared to even straighten it up because I don't think I'll catch it on the other side. It's so weird. There's probably like 10 inches on each side, so if I was like a little bit taller, I could probably ride this, but unfortunately, it's a little tall for me.